Hey, it's Tracy from Doucher Motors, and if you're looking for a low-kilometer, well-maintained F-150, look no further. Let's check out our 2020 F-150. It has a 3M package on it, the hood, fenders, and bumper to protect all your rock chips. Only 37,000 kilometers on this sport. 3.5 Ecoboost, the short box, of course, Velocity Blue in color. We've got mud flaps on it. We've got the reverse sensing package, reverse camera package, also the FX4 Offroad package, and best of all, it has the Max Tow package. All right, so we did a full service clean and inspection on this. Again, 37,000 kilometers, 502A, fully leather. So we're going to have a look inside and see what all the goodies are inside. Hi, come on in here. I want you to take a look at this well-kept F-150. It is super, super clean. In fact, I don't think you could tell that anybody drove it. Only 37,000 kilometers. Again, fully leather, bucket seats, air cruise tilt, power windows, power locks, 4 all-wheel drive, heated seats, and cooled seats. You've got a heated steering wheel option in your 8-inch screen, navigation, lane keep. It's got all the bells and whistles, full panoramic moonroof. I think this will be perfect for somebody. If you want more information, give me a call, 780-826-3278.